Burnt garlic mixed fried rice is the most popular in the Chinese recipe of restaurants and stalls. It is similar to the popular fried rice recipe and is typically served for lunch or dinner with in the Chinese cuisine and Manchurian gravies. Hello viewers, myself Shiporna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of white oil. Once the oil has heated and hot enough, add the garlic and saute on high flame for 2 minutes or till the garlic turns brown in color. While doing so, the oil absorbs the flavor of the garlic, which gives a unique flavor to the burnt garlic fried rice. Burn means do not burn the garlic, just make them brown and crisp. So they're brown. I'll take them out from the oil and keep them aside. Now I'm using the same oil as it has the garlicky flavors. So now into this oil add chopped onion. I'm using one medium-sized onion. I'm frying them till the onions are translucent. Now I'm adding 100 grams of boneless chicken pieces. I cut the chicken into small cubes. Fry them well. Make sure the flame is high, otherwise chicken will release water. For this recipe you need high flame. So now chickens are fried well. Add clean prawns. Season with salt and black pepper. Saute well. Just flip the prawns one side to another side. You will need 3 to 4 minutes to fry them up. Sprinkle finely chopped spring onions, roughly chopped green chilies. Fry them little. So now add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Don't get panic if you have dark soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce if you have. Give a little stir. Now add pre-boiled long grain rice. I soak the rice for 30 minutes and cook the rice 80%. If you cook the rice entirely or make the rice soft, then it can break and smashy while you toss with the mixture. Then you end up with a smashy mixed red rice. Toss with soft hand. Always make use of big pans while making Chinese rice recipes so that the rice do not clump together on tossing. After little mixing, add salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and previously fried garlic which are very crispy. Give a nice mix. This is the normal mixed fried rice. In addition of burnt garlic, add the unique flavor to your fried rice. If you want to add vegetables, you need to chop the veggies finely. Either use a good knife or use a good food processor. Now sprinkle finely chopped spring onion and just give a stir. And it's ready for plating. Just sprinkle some burnt garlic and finely chopped spring onions. This burnt garlic fried rice makes an ideal meal and rice recipe which is released with the Manchurian gravy like chicken Manchurian or veg Manchurian. I'll give the link of chicken Manchurian in the description box. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Please let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Do share our videos with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and safe. Bye.